An ice-free Arctic might be just years away. Researchers warned on Tuesday, a feared milestone that could arrive even earlier than expected and have far-reaching consequences for the environment, economy and future direction of the climate crisis, even if the world manages to slash carbon emissions and shift to greener energy sources. In addition to being a very visible indicator of climate change, Arctic ice is an important habitat for the survival of animals like polar bears and seals and plays an important role in reflecting radiation, and, therefore, heat, away from the Earth, meaning its loss could accelerate global warming. The region is also strategically important for global shipping and is a hotbed of natural resources. Change is also happening more rapidly in the Arctic than elsewhere in the world. The region is heating around 4 times faster than the rest of the globe, and its melting ice has reignited long-simmering geopolitical tensions, with regional powers including Russia, the US and Norway beefing up military presences. Scientists overwhelmingly agree that global heating is a result of human actions that emit warming greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, and that swift and drastic steps to decarbonize the economy are needed in order to avoid catastrophic, potentially irreversible damage. Jahn said that while ice-free conditions are unavoidable in the Arctic, it's important to keep our emissions as low as possible to avoid prolonged ice-free conditions. Fortunately, Jahn said the sea ice in the Arctic is resilient and can return under cooler conditions, offering hope of restoring the region in the future. Unlike the ice sheet in Greenland that took thousands of years to build, even if we melt all the Arctic sea ice, if we can then figure out how to take CO2 back out of the atmosphere in the future to reverse warming, sea ice will come back within a decade, Jahn said.